In this quick video, I want to show you how you can download, install, and use Microsoft Teams. You can actually use Microsoft Teams directly in your browser. If you, for example, have received a link with the invitation to participate into a meeting, well, you just have to click that link and you can open the browser version. You have to access, you need to have an account, and if you want, you can also download the app for the PC, so desktop or also mobile. All you need to do is to access the main page here, and just you can see here that you can use it for many reasons, and you should find the sign up for free if you want to create your Microsoft account, or you can just go to the download Teams icon here and just click on download for desktop, download Teams, and that's all you need to do. Then you will save your file here, the installer, and usually it's gonna go in the downloads unless you change directory. And this is the installer file. So you just double click there, and again, you're gonna be prompted to insert your account details, and if you don't have one, you can create it just by creating a name and a surname and inserting your mobile phone or your email, and then you will be asked to insert a particular code to activate the software. And now this can be used also for managing files and managing teams. You can create of course you can create video conferences, and you usually create a link or you use a link to access a particular meeting. So you either create a room or you participate by getting into the room, and for example you can also share here invitation or with your contacts. Right here you have your calendar, or if you have scheduled a particular meeting, you can also run a meeting right away by clicking right here at the top, or you can create new meetings and it's gonna here place the event and also share the link with the participants. And also down here you have the QR code if you want to download the mobile app. So this will be all for this guide. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.